everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some stuff to kind of decorate my laundry room, and I also got some other stuff to show you for the laundry room too. So I got this, and I think this was part of my Dollar Tree haul, and I think these might have been too. I decided that I'm going to use this one to put that on, and then I have this rope that I'm going to kind of put around it. I'm just doing something like simple. I'm not doing anything too crazy or intricate or anything. So I'm just going to take this rope and just glue it around the edges. And to get this collar, I just put little dots of different colors of gray and just kind of swoosh the brush back and forth just to kind of get that streaky look. But I'm going to go ahead and start gluing this rope. And I bought two, but I think that one might be enough. So I guess let's see. So here's how it looks with that. Now I'm not quite sure I know how I'm going to put these on here, so that's going to be, I'm thinking about, and these, they got paint on them, kind of like paint splatter kind of got on them, so just ignore ignore that part. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of cut them out, and then I'm going to arrange them on this excuse me, to see like how they will fit and where it looks best and all that. So I'm just going to do that really quick. I'm trying to see, it's kind of hard to see where the lines are, so get it as good as I can, I guess. Because this one here, I should have went and just got a different one, maybe, I don't know, because this one kind of got a little bit dirty because it was kind of thrown in the craft bin. See, this is how they have it, like, I guess the suggestion of how to do it. But I'm not sure if that's going to fit that way. I'm going to try to do it that way, but I'm not quite sure if that's going to work. See, that one, it would have to be like, well, first let me see. Try to get it straight. That's going to be the hard part for me, is just getting all this stuff straight. See, it's the wash part that's kind of messing me up. I guess I could put it down here, because I mean, that could be a washer or a dryer. So I'm just going to go with it. So then I'm just going to put them on there and try to get them as straight as I can. That's not really my strong suit. Putting stickers on stuff. So if it's kind of crooked, don't mind me. I think I'm going to put the words on first and then do the little pictures. I don't rip them all up. It's another thing that I can't really use stickers very often too, because I'm not very gentle. I end up ripping everything. Yeah, I can already tell that's not straight. I'm sorry. I know that's going to bother some people. Not being straight. I need to really practice trying to put things on right. Forgive me. I really like how this looks with the gray. And there's a lot of gray. In my house anyway, because I love the color gray, but I really love it with the bold black letters and the gray background, and then this rope too. I think that is so cute. But here's this one. It's not perfect, but it'll do. And I think I'm gonna kind of have to glue some of this down. Like, see that from being in that bin, it kind of got messed up a little bit. But I really didn't want to go and buy a different one because I already had this, and I'm not really trying to be, you know, wasteful, especially right now. So I am just going to work with this and kind of try to glue these little spots down. And then, like I said, this is just going to be in a laundry room, so it doesn't matter that much. But this cost only $3 to make this, because it was $1 for the letters and $1 for the board and then $1 for the rope. So I mean, super cheap and super cute. So here's this one, and I'm going to move on to my next one. Now this next one, I don't quite know exactly what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to try to see if I like them in the laundry room, but if I don't, then I'm going to put them outside. So it's not a guarantee that they're going to go in there. At the end of the video, I'm going to post a picture of how all this stuff looks together, but I'm going to see if I actually like how this looks before I commit to it. So this might be in there, or it might go outside. I don't know yet. But I got some of these little, I don't know what these are called, glass gems, you know, you put in like vases and things. But I'm going to glue them in the bottom. This one's going to be really easy too. And then I'm just going to put these big succulents in there, just on top of the rocks. So I'm just going to get these all out. And I'm just going to glue some of these rocks down in the bottom. And it's so funny to me because when I was trying to figure this out, I'm not a person that really loves like minimalistic or simple kind of looking things. But a lot of this I was thinking about, and I'm like, this is kind of looking like, you know, like simple type stuff. So I just thought that was really funny. I don't know how I want to do this because I think it's going to be hard to put glue on this and then stick them in there. Let's see. I don't know if it would be easier just to put glue directly in there. I have no plan whatsoever for how to do this. Usually, yeah, I'm gonna have to do it different because I'm gonna end up getting burned. Usually I kind of have like an idea of how I'm gonna do stuff, but this I kind of just came up with, so I kind of don't know exactly what I'm doing, and it probably does not help that I have fake nails on either. This was not the day for that. But there's going to be those big succulents over them anyway, so I guess it doesn't have to look perfect. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of put some towards the back here and then kind of around. I'm not going to put a whole awful lot. Yeah, I think it's a lot easier to do it this way. One thing I've noticed is you can tell, like, when I actually have a plan, like I have it planned out how I'm going to do something, and when I'm going to, and just kind of when I'm going with it, like just, this is definitely going with it. Some of them got flipped over too, but I'm not going to worry about it. I might as well just clean that up at the end, because I'm going to have to stop 50 more times and do that. And I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be enough or not. I think I might put a little bit, if I can get this out, I think I might put a little bit more in the back, and then I think that will be good. Like another row in the back. Because I don't want to fill the whole thing up, but I kind of want to make sure that you can see it, you know. It's getting harder to get back there too. I don't want to get burned either. I'm just going to put a couple more, and then I think I'm going to be done with this one. And if I do put these outside, these are going to give it some nice weight so it doesn't blow around everywhere. But I'm not sure exactly I'm going to do that or not. So, but just in case I do, I guess it will work out. I think that's as good as it's going to get. And I'm just going to take this, because I'm going to have to go through and take all this glue off. But I might just do that off camera, because I think it's going to take me a little while, because there is a lot of it. And I might just do it over the trash can too, so I'm not getting it everywhere, because like right now I'm kind of getting it everywhere. So I'm just going to put this down in here. I'm trying to figure out exactly where would be a good spot. It's kind of hard to do. And I guess even for extra security, you could glue down the leaves too. I might skip that for right now, but if it does come undone, I'll probably end up doing that. But here's how that one looks. So I think like right now it's not the prettiest looking, but I don't know. I might put something around this part, maybe some ribbon. I'm not quite sure. I'll end up letting you guys know what I do with it, if I put it outside or if I keep it in the laundry room. Well, I guess if I keep it in the laundry room, you'll be able to see it in the picture. But I think for time's sake, I might go ahead and just do this one later. My hand's kind of hurting a little bit from grabbing the hot glue gun. So it will pretty much look exactly the same. Now I want to show you some of the stuff that I got to put in there. That's not like craft related, but I found these little like washer and dryer machines that are bins. So I just put my pods in one of them, and then I've got fabric softener, my Downy ball, and then I have this clothes dye, and I just put that in the other one. My laundry room really isn't a laundry room. It's kind of off my kitchen. So I thought by getting like these things that it'll kind of make it look like there's like some kind of laundry room, because it's just basically my washer and dryer just right in the little nook part of my kitchen. So that's kind of why I wanted to do this, because I kind of just wanted to make it look like it has a little bit of a spot, you know, kind of, that it's not just like kitchen, all kitchen. Because it's basically like my dining room table, and then over to that side, then it's my washer and dryer. So I wanted to kind of give it like its own little space. But I got these because I thought that they were really cute for, you know, to go along with laundry, I guess. So I got that. And then I've had this, and I thought about putting it in there. It kind of got chipped, but I think I'm just going to paint over it. Because like I said, I'm trying to like reuse stuff. Kind of like reduce waste and things. So I'm going to put this in there, and I think this is just like, I think this is baby's breath, and I think I got this at Walmart. It was one of the really cheap ones, but I thought it would look nice with just the whole white of the machines and stuff. And then I got this candle to put in there, and it smells really good. It's like cashmere scent, and it says happy place. And I don't know, I guess I got this to kind of trick myself into thinking that laundry is fun. Like the laundry room's gonna be your happy place. So that's me just trying to be optimistic. But I got that to put in there. And then I have this rabbit, and this is another thing. This is kind of just moved all around my house. I really like Easter bunnies. I don't know what it is about them. I just like them. So I have like a couple of ceramic Easter bunnies. I have one in my bathroom, one in my bedroom, and this was in my living room, but I'm thinking about putting it in the laundry room just because it is something that kind of makes me happy. So I was going to put him in there too. He might not look like he goes with any of this stuff, but I kind of just want to put him in there anyway. So I hope you got some ideas that you can use maybe. And oh, by the way, I think I got these little bin things at Target. So they might have them there, but it's been a little while, I think. So hopefully they still have them. But anyway, I hope that some of this gave you some ideas, maybe, you know, to like brighten up, or, well, I guess in my case it wouldn't really be brightening up anything up because like all my stuff is like gray and black, but like to, I don't know, make it decorative, I guess. And I also was wanting to say that I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've had like a bunch of family stuff going on. So I'm planning on posting another video soon. And I might say this again in that video too, just in case people watch it and don't watch this one. But yeah, things are kind of settling down a little bit, so I should be able to kind of post normally again. And I was kind of thinking about like getting on a schedule or whatever. It's just, it just wasn't possible before. So I'm sorry for the delay, and I'm going to try to make up for it with another video really soon. So I hope that this was helpful, and thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!